No, son, come back.
See, Desi.
It's the inspiration for the Taj there. And then the number
The sun really.
so you start in and then what? You just
Pull out.
That's
We gotta say when. Like when.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pull out.
No.
No? Okay.
Okay. For the gram. Everybody come in.
One.
Just a second.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Gotta drink it as well.
Did you get it?
So we actually offer experiences in Agra beyond Taj, and since the city is called City of Taj, but we call it City of Love, since every monument, every place you see and the people you meet will be loving you and has a story which is around love. Good? We'll take over, and I hope you enjoy the class. If you have any questions, you want to do anything in this class, he'll do it for you. Hi.
Hello.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Good afternoon. Lunch, the same item. Here I am cooking very small portion, but inside we have put same thing. It's the rice pudding. It's an Indian dessert. So basically it's served hot. It's good very high. Okay. Yeah. This is cumin seed. Okay. So this is whole spice. It comes under whole spices, which gives like this is called tadka. Tadka means the tempering. We heat the oil, then we put the whole spices. It's called tadka.
Chef, teach them.
I hope you have family.
We got a lot of single ladies out here.
Imagine.
Don't mess this up, bro.
Just they're bringing gloves. Bring the gloves.
Stretch it.
Okay.
Imagine.
You ready, bro? Don't
Warm
worry.
up before playing match. He's warming up.
Chande. I'm learning with him. So first of all, before our gloves arrive, I will teach you how to handle a knife. Most of the chefs don't know how to handle a knife.
Okay.
First of all, you can handle like this, but according to me, your arrow finger like this and your thumb like this. So it can be easy for you. And you have to put your hands like this, not like that, not like that, not like this. You have to put your finger like this because it saves you from hurting you from the knife. When you took your knife like this, see, your fingers are safe. See, just try it.
Like this.
Yeah, like this.
He's expert, I think. He's already expert.
You have to peel it also because it tastes better. It makes your food little bit better. So just make it out like this. You have to remove that. You have to remove that because it tastes bitter. And the taste of onion is pungent. So before peeling the onion, you have to take out this eye of that onion.
The eye of the onion goes out. Okay.
Get on the eye. just to garnish.
I have a plan. Either someone from you cook the meal and then try both and see what's the difference. Yeah.
Which one of you? So your approval was most important.
You should have Ghanaian stew on the menu. No, you got a Ghanaian stew on the menu.
Add the onion first. Cauliflower.
Why is your carrot red? I think it said it's wild carrot.
See, this is the two types basically carrot.
Okay.
One is red and one is orange in color.
Okay.
So orange in color you can get through.
Right hand or whichever hand you are. If you are lefty, so you can take in your left hand. If you are righty, you can take in your right hand. Now, move it like this. After making a proper circle, see, you have to put your dough or a portion in front like this. Now with the help of rolling pin, you have to move your rolling pin. See, this is the same process like we are making.
But we can't make. But what do we do, you know? We just make and we take the bowl and cut it.
It's good, it's good. Take a portion from that side. Here, start thick. The thin side is already thin. Roll your rolling pin. The side which is thick. It's actually good. Okay, chef, give it to them. Give it to them, chef. Yes. Oh, yes. What is this? Y'all make a chapati.
You did great.
Go on, girl. Whoop.
Like that. One round like that. Okay. Now see what I'll do. I'll do up and down and again the anti-clockwise. So it will be round. I can show you. See.
Wow. That's
See?
so.
I'll try it, but
Again. Up and down and the anti-clockwise. Okay.
Sure. Man said it like it's simple. No, G.
Then you have to, remove the excess flour. Now this is ready. See how thin? You have to be thin, but it will be thick, it will be not cooked properly. So for cooking this, we have two different processes.
Hold on, where is it? Oh, would you look at that combo? Can't wait.
So like some more spicy.
yeah.
That's
gonna be nice and spicy.
Okay. Thanks, love.
You can use salsa goat tequila.
Just look at it, the reason I got the phone. Pour it up, pour it up.
You can use the fresh lemon.
Get in there.
You can use the ice.
Get in my belly.
After that, shake.
Shake, 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 shake. I love it.
You're gonna have to send me this.
Oh yeah.
So good.
All right.
Enjoy that.
All right.
Enjoy it, sweetie.
All right. We're gonna get in there.
Yeah, it's for you.
Thank you.
Cheers, love.
Come today.
Yes, we will.
Use masala.
Oh, so that's part of your drink?
Oh damn.
I just finished bartending school. Did you? In Philly. So moving to Miami early, so I need a job in the over.
You can use some tequila.
Yeah, Melissa.
This drink is finna get us crunk. Like,
Yeah, I know two people.
whew, he's not even shy.
If it was a double, I'd We actually stay for you guys.
Ah, please, no double. I'm only one person.
That's what I'm saying. That's when we're gonna get back from office. Yeah, but until then, together.
Wow, no, we're wild. Sarah, why are we doing this?
It's Saturday.
Do you know what's crazy? One of my best friends is called Sarah, so I low-key feel like I'm talking to her. This is what she'll do anyway.
It'll look weird when that's it. Where?
Yeah, cranberry juice. You can finally use Swadeshi tea.
The magic.
Swadeshi tea we have stuff only in India.
Then I have to get it.
Oh god. Go on. Giddy. We love.
Like Lisa's.
Oh,
that looks
I
Oh my
like
god,
the
I bet
color.
that's gonna taste so good.
I mean, good luck to us.
Yeah.
That's not what I thought it would be either.
Cheers.
Shade.
Oh, give it to them. We love it.
That's vacation drink.
Exactly, yeah. That's a good drink right there.
तो दबा के रख देंगे फिर पूरी भी
Thank you. Thanks. That's like dangerous. You don't know what that is. This ain't me moving like this. It's a bit erratic now. What? Oh. Ghetto. Oh no. Good job. Okay. Oh. Not the human van. I don't know, like not the human van. I'm like, this ain't normal, bro. Whoa. I think. Woo! The ghetto.
Let it go.
Nah. Communicating. This is actually the limit. Party in the tuk-tuk. Party in the tuk-tuk. Party in the tuk-tuk. Party in the tuk-tuk.
Yep.
Yeah. I feel it.
Are they both in there? And here in New York.
riding the tuk-tuk. No juk-juk.
People in there?
Beep, beep. That's a juk-juk.